Damn this motherfucker. Why you fucking with us?
Shit, I don't know. Maybe we follow that nigga something.
Shit. That shit might work, nigga. Never know.
Shit. You might do, nigga. Nigga done broke my wing and shit. I can't even fly barely and shit. Where you went, nigga?
Well, I'm over here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be high up in the sky. Gotta fly.
Look at this bitch ass nigga, man. All this shit in that water and shit, man. You know what I'm saying, man? This shit fucked up.
Hell yeah, nigga. This shit real fucked up, man. I mean, damn, man.
Hell yeah, nigga. We about to blow this motherfucker up.
Hell nah, nigga. You crazy, nigga. We live here, nigga.
I don't give a fuck. Shit. Nigga. Nigga looking at me and shit.
Hey, I'm Patrick.
Nigga. And I'm Boondocks, nigga. Nigga, Huey, nigga.
Hey, I know you can't really see me, nigga, cause I'm off in the court.
Nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Hey, I want some ice cream and peanut butter and jelly.
Nigga. I want some motherfucking chicken, nigga. For real.
And some eggs.
Nigga. Is you high, nigga? You fucking eat some chicken and egg for, nigga.
I don't know, man. I just moved to.
Nigga. I'll beat your motherfucking ass, nigga.